Alright, so I'm installing a battery tender today on the Honda Super Cub 125. It's pretty straightforward. You start off by removing this little guy, the screw. This pops off these clips. And then kind of the tricky part here was there is a bolt, another hex head that holds it down in here, which is this guy. And then there's another one that was hiding underneath this guy right down in here. Once you loosen those, it allows you to slide this up high enough because the terminals are covered by these guys. Once you get that up, I simply used a Phillips head screwdriver with a magnetic tip, making sure the bike was off first, of course. Don't want to damage anything, and then unscrewing the hot side, then the neutral side. And now it's simply as easy as connecting the terminals to this guy and hooking it back up. So once I get that connected, I'll take another video and show you where it's going. And I'm planning on routing it up through here, out along the side and along the tier, so I can just kind of tuck it up under the seat or up out of here, out of way, so it's easy to access, so you don't have to take this on and off every time. Alright, so I took that whole cover plate off. This guy, this allows you to move it up and down. It was a little tricky getting those in there, finagling. I had to open this up, take the protector fuse off, and so you got to slip through this opening here. But they're both connected, and so now I just got to rerun these guys. This guy goes back up in here. That one clips down in there. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so now this is all in there, and I just need to reattach everything. And I will show you when that's done. Alright, so I got it all hooked back up here. I got these guys, that bolt down there put back, that hex bolt up there put back. And then what I did is I wedged the little fuse area in here. There's an open slot, and kind of rerouted this. And then if you delicately open this will pry apart. And I was able to snake this up through here, so I can actually just kind of tuck it up under the seat when it's not in use. So it's protected from the weather and all that, and it's out of sight, out of mind. And now it's just simply putting the cover back on and hooking it up to the tender. Quick update. With that in there, the cover would not go back on. It was too tight, and I didn't want to risk snapping any of these because it's literally just a press and hold kind of situation. So I rerouted it up here, so it's far out of the way now, and it should go on relatively easy. And I'll, again, film it when it's done. So yes, moving that made the cover go on no problem at all. And as you can see, I just have this tucked up under here, easy access. Just pop the seat open, get to it, shut it, make sure when you shut it you don't pinch it. And then you can even tuck it back up in here if you want, but it's out of sight, out of mind, protected by the weather and the elements. And there you go. Charger hooked up to the Super Cub. And there you have it. It is charging steadily. Battery tender Junior 800. It's got the option between lead acid or lithium. So it's looking like it's going, and I will, if anything goes wrong, I will repost. If anybody has any questions, feel free to please leave them in the comments section. And I hope this helps and makes it a little easier for anybody trying to do this. Alright, everybody have a good day.